Our top story now. Clashes erupted this morning between protesters and security forces at Anantnag in Jammu and Kashmir. This during the funeral of Zahid Ahmed, the young trucker who was attacked 10 days ago over cow slaughter rumours. He died in Delhi yesterday. Now, separatist groups have called for a strike, and Kashmir University and board exams were postponed today, while a curfew has been called in many parts of Jammu and Kashmir. Now, traffic on the Srinagar-Jammu National Highway was also suspended following the clashes that took place yesterday.
Situation is very tense in South Kashmir, and there are clashes going on at Bijbehara and in Anantnag after the funeral prayers. This busy highway, Srinagar-Jammu National Highway, is deserted today, and you can see these trucks. They have been asked to stop here. No truck is being allowed to get inside the valley or out of the valley because of the the situation along the highway after the death of Zahid Ahmed, a trucker who was attacked along with his colleagues last week in Udhampur after cow slaughter rumors. He was badly injured. He received over 70% burn injuries. He was shifted to Delhi Safdarjung Hospital where he died yesterday. Body was flown here yesterday and it was laid to rest today morning. And after the funeral prayers, there were massive protests across the valley. This complete strike. Separatists have called for a ban today and protest today. Most of the separatist leaders have been put under house arrest, and many areas in Srinagar are under curfew-like restrictions, and this highway really deserted today. But weather gods have come to the rescue of the government. Rains have literally, doused the flames today, and there had not been many protests as government was expecting because of the heavy rains. There is also snowfall in the higher reaches of the valley, but situation really tense after the funeral procession was carried out, and then the clash between the protesters and the police in Bijbehara, South Kashmir. In Awantipur, South Kashmir, Nazir Masoodi for NDTV.
Emotions are running high across the valley after the death of Zahid. His body was brought to his native village last night, and now the funeral has taken place. There are also reports of some sporadic clashes in Batingo, which is the native village of Zahid. The traffic on the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway is also hampered, but elsewhere in the valley there are restrictions put in place, barbed wires put on the roads to stop the movement of traffic and people, particularly in downtown and also in some areas of Anantnag like Bijbehara. Separatists have given a ban call today. Most separatist leaders have been put under house arrest. The strike call is also supported by trade bodies and other groups in the valley. The family of Zahid is saying that government should do more. They are demanding justice. They say that perpetrators of this crime should be taken to task. They have also returned the compensation money given by the government. Chief Minister Mufti Mohammad Saeed came out with a strong statement condemning this incident, but the family members of Zahid say that the government should take action. So far 9 people have been arrested and 5 of them have been booked under Public Safety Act for the Udhampur incident. This incident has generated a lot of anger in the valley, and today there's a complete shutdown across the valley, and also reports of some clashes in South Kashmir, which is where Zahid belonged to.
And speaking at a press conference earlier today in Patna, BJP Chief Amit Shah was asked about the beef politics in Jammu and Kashmir, and he did agree that there was a law and order problem there.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी और पीडीपी की सरकार है, वहां पर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर ठीक करने के लिए निश्चित रूप से हमने करना चाहिए। मगर आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए जितने भी अवार्ड वापस दिए गए उधमपुर के लिए नहीं दिए गए हैं। कर्नाटक और सुनिए, मुझे बोलने तो दीजिए भैया, मैं आपको टोकता हूं क्या? जितने भी अवार्ड वापस दिए गए हैं वो कर्नाटक और यूपी के कारण दिए गए हैं। उन्होंने प्रश्न किया था कि जो पुरस्कार वापस दे रहे हैं इसके लिए क्या कहना है, इसलिए मैंने कहा कि लॉ एंड ऑर्डर स्टेट